that was fun. Alrighty then, so I'm back from ECC. I didn't film anything. I took some photos. Here they are. Yeah, so a lot of fun. Would have been better if I had the brumberty there, but I was missing these. Now, they cost me a lot of money to get CNC machined, and I didn't quite get the brumberty together to go. So here we are. We have the shafts now. I can finally get the brumberty going again. It hasn't driven for like 8 years, so yeah, I'm pretty excited. So I'm just going to take the shaft, clean the grease off it, clean it up, and then we're going to paint this center section that sticks out of the boot, because I don't really want it to go rusty. Once the paint is dried, then we'll reassemble these with a brand new set of CV shaft ends, and then put it all into the brumby. So, hey Shed Corgi. Shed Corgi was quite excited for me to get home again. So, we'll get some paint on these shafts and then start assembling again. If all goes well, we'll be able to drive the brumberty. Alrighty, paint time. Molly grease. Alright, so they're all together. I've just got to get the bands to tie up the rubber boots properly, and then they can get degreased and put into the brumberty. So let's get them in. We had to tie the roof down to the brumberty before we went off to the show because, well, the strong winds were trying to take it away. Luckily it didn't take it away with the brumby. Alright, let's get these on. Now the other side. It has all its shafts. You can't see this, but I spun this hub and that one turned. These hubs, well, they kind of went underwater in the flood a few years back, so that's why I haven't bothered cleaning the rust off the discs. I'm just going to go to the wreckers. There's another Subaru Outback sitting there that's only recently come off the road, so I'm going to see if I can get both front hubs, maybe a control arms as well, new rear hub and brakes. So yeah, once I've got that up, then I will actually attach the brakes and bleed them and then take it for a first drive. This has been a short video, but well, it is what it is. I didn't really feel like adding in like an hour of footage of me putting CV shafts back together because, well, that's just a horrible, horrible thing to see. So, that's it for this video. As always, customize everything. Awesome!